As you see, the people where they protest, where they call for the release of Chief Sunday Adeyemo, Sunday Igboho, they don't block Lagos Ibadan Express Road now. They don't cause hold up. As you see, following talk, say they don't arrest popular Yoruba Nation agitator Adeyemo Sunday Igboho for Benin Republic. Now in followers start protest at the Soka residence of Chief Adeyemo Sunday Igboho. Now the entrance, now the road where you go past reach inside with this. But as you see, I'm presently now, they don't block express, Ibadan Express Road. This one they happen live for Ibadan presently. Now where you see with this, they don't block road. But they talk say nobody they go. Then they call the federal government, say may they release Chief Sunday Igboho. So as you see him now, hold up for Lakes Ibadan Express Road. So as you see him now, Soka Junction, where you see for here, maybe say the followers of the popular Yoruba agitator, Chief Sunday Igboho, they call upon the government, say may they release their leader, Chief Sunday Igboho. They don't block the road as it is now. Now go slow on the shell for here. Boss, we dey do am for news. Owó pariwo kí ni Sunday gan mọ́. Pariwo kí ni Sunday.
Ẹ jẹ́ kan náà bọ́lẹ̀ kan náà máa tún ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń ṣe àwọn kan lẹ̀ lẹ́fọ̀ àwọn kan lẹ̀ ó dà ẹ bí gbogbo ẹ̀ pa yẹn wulẹ̀ máa tún ṣẹlẹ̀.
When they want to assassinate her, the other time they go in the house on the phone now. They go finalize all here, they keep people. Why? Based on seeing the man they speak for in the house. Man is a kind of freedom.
So now one of the supporters of this way they speak.
The federal government of this country. So we come now to say enough of all this rubbish. Now, Sunday, Adeyemo Igboho is a criminal. This man never killed anybody in life. Never. He never raped anybody in life. Never. My brother. Never. Want to arrest him. Why do you kill him? Why do you see what they said after he was alive? Okay. Is it? Man is never a politician. He's not Abiola. He never. He doesn't have. I don't really understand why they want to kill him. So we are begging. We are pleading to you, federal government of Nigeria. You know you people have power. Free the republic. We are begging you. You can see all Yoruba people that are here to protest about Sunday. Please don't release him to the Nigeria. Please, we are begging you. Today is the second day of the year. Each every one of us is here. But no, they are threatening Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. He's the only one speaking for Yoruba. All the entire race of Yoruba is the only one speaking. So now why they want to kill him? They don't need to kill him. Please, we are begging. All of our Obas in Yoruba land, we are begging you. We are begging all of you. Please come to Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. Say, speak for Chief Sunday Igboho. Igboho is never a criminal. Igboho is never a
Your name, sir?
Igboho is never a bandit. So please, he's never a terrorist. We are plenty.
We should hold on for interview. We should hold on for interview. We should hold on
So person wey be say na one of the supporters don follow speak now, say that they beg the government of Benin Republic, say make dem no release Chief Adeyemo Sunday Igboho to the federal government of Nigeria. Say Chief Sunday Igboho na just normal citizen wey just dey fight for the right of people around. Say he never kill anybody, never rape anybody before. So nothing wey he don do, wey he don pass the constitution wey the federal government. As we dey see am now, they don block the Lagos-Ibadan express road.
I want to block one another.
wò wípé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan ẹgbà tí sọ́dọ̀ ìgbìmọ̀ ní ọmọ ẹgbà tọwọ́ tẹ̀sí.
àwọn kan ṣe ìyá àwọn kan gbà ilé Yorùbá iná.
Òní nìkan náà ni.
Àti ọba Ifẹ̀ àti òkúta láyé káàkiri ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ìgbìmọ̀ àwa pè yìí wípé iṣẹ́ bọ́dà ti ṣe láti ṣe kí ni ọ̀pọ̀ ti ṣiṣẹ́ nípa tó yẹ kó. Rani Àjà bá ti gbé ẹgbẹ́ tó ìgbà tí wọ́n ṣe kí ni wọ́n ti ṣe ìgbà yìí onímọ̀ ní dáadáa fún mọ́tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe. Ẹjọ́ dídé Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́.
Now one of the supporters of Chief Adeyemo Sunday Igboho shall be this, where they call upon all Obas Yoruba land, may they come to the aid of Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. Now waiting to speak with that. In the talk, say may all Yoruba citizens, all Yoruba people all over the world, may they come to the rescue of Chief Sunday Igboho. So as you see, I'm now Nasoka area of Lagos Ibadan Express Road. Now the house where the road where they lead to the house of Chief Adeyemo Sunday Igboho. Maybe say in supporters, don't they on the road where they talk say may the federal government of Benin Republic may they release Chief Sunday Igboho. May they not release them for the federal government of Nigeria, but they call upon everybody may they support the agitation. Say may they release their leader, Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. Male support here, minister of Chief Adeyemo Sunday Igboho. You see there. So now the Lagos Ibadan Express road where we dey here for Ibadan. Now this road they lead to the house of Chief Adeyemo Sunday Igboho, the popular Yoruba Nation agitator. Where news don't talk say they don't arrest him for Benin Republic. Now his supporters don't carry placard, they don't enter road. Say may they release their number one leader. As you see am now, they don't block road for Lagos Ibadan Express road. So this one they happen live for Ibadan, Lagos Ibadan Express Road for Soka Junction, where we say the supporters of Chief Adeyemo Sunday Igboho and they protest, say make the federal government release Chief Sunday Igboho following the report where they don't hear, say they don't release, say they don't arrest Chief Sunday Igboho for Benin Republic. Although rumor they come out say they don't release them, but as we dey see now, we dey confirm say he supporters they talk say he still there, and the government of Benin say make dem no release am for federal government of Nigeria. Say they don't allow the extradition of Chief Sunday Igboho from Benin Republic to Nigeria, and they call upon everybody, especially say make dem release am.